Hi, my loves, the beauty mogul here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're wondering why I'm in such high spirit, it's because we just hit 200 subscribers. Whoop, whoop. One of you guys asked for a smoky eye tutorial, and I thought, why not? So, if you'd like to see how we got this, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share as usual. And don't forget to also hit the notification bell if you'd like to be alerted every time I post a new tutorial. Yeah, if you'd like to see how we got this look, please keep on watching. Now let's jump right into the tutorial. So first off, we're going to be starting with this black gel liner from Classic Cosmetics, a very inexpensive gel liner, but it does the job. And I'm going to scoop a little bit with my spatula. I'm going to warm that against the back of my palm, and I'm going to start tapping. I just need to cover up the eyelid space. I'll ask her to open, and then I'll map out the eyelid space, and then I'll cover up the eyelid space. The brush you're going to be using for this step is a flat brush, preferably a small concealer brush, so it deposits the amount of product it picks up from your palm on the eyes. I hope that makes sense. So we're just going to tap, 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 just tap, you guys, tap, tap. You're going to pick up more products and tap until you get the coverage you're looking for. You want to be gentle with the eyes. Now, next step, I'm going to take this very precise blending brush and I'm going to stretch that skin a little bit. I'm going to start diffusing the line that was earlier created from, tapping that black gel liner. I'm using a sweeping motion as well as a round motion. So you see me moving my brush back and forth, and in a circular motion as well. This is just to blend out that line. I don't want the line to be super sharp. I want it to be really diffuse and soft. Also, I forgot to mention that you have to be very fast with this process because that gel liner dries up very fast. Next, I'm going to take a dome fluffy brush. Now, this is a blending brush, but it's packed, and I'm just going to pick up my black eyeshadow and I'm going to start tapping. When working with matte eyeshadows, that's eyeshadows without shimmer, the goal is to tap, or the secret is to tap. You want to tap, you just want to pick up those products and just tap on the eyelid. So the gel liner is going to help intensify that black eyeshadow, and it's going to act like a sticky base to hold the eyeshadow in place. Now, once you're done with this step, you want to go ahead and replicate the same exact process on the second eye. I've done that here, and I'm going to move on to the next step. Now the next step is to take the same brush I used in blending out that eyeliner at first and going in with a dark brown eyeshadow that's really close to the black, and just blend out that new line that was formed from applying the black eyeshadow. Let me repeat myself. So you're using this brush to pick up a very dark brown eyeshadow to blend out that black that you initially applied, or that you just applied now. English is a big problem, but I hope you guys get the point. Yeah, so I'm just going to blend back and forth, and in a circular motion to diffuse that line that was created by the black. Now next step, I'm going to go in with a lighter brown, and this is like a reddish brown or rust, with a bigger fluffy blending brush. I'm going to first tap off the excess on the back of my arm, and I'm just going to be very liberal with this part. I'm trying to blend out that very dark brown we just applied. Now we don't want any lines. Like, smoky eyes are such a delicate look to create, and you have to be patient and you have to really blend when you're doing this eye look. So you're going to take your time and you're going to blend like your life depends on it. So this is just me blending out. We want like a shadow, a nice transition into that brown. We don't want it to be super dark or to have any lines showing. Now after I've done with that part, I just realized that there is an obvious demarcation showing. Now there are no lines, but there's no smooth transition. I can notice where the black stopped and where that brown stopped, and I really just want to get rid of that line of demarcation I'm saying. I just want to create more depth in that place to sort of give an illusion of oneness. So I'm going to go in with that brown and I'm just going to blend that black some more. This is just to marry those two colors. I hope I'm making sense, but you're going to see the difference in a bit. You can see the difference here. There's an obvious demarcation between the black and the brown, whilst on this other side you can see it just looks like one color. Now I'm going to repeat that step on this eye as well to make sure we are even on both eyes. Now after I'm done blending, I'm just going to check to see that both eyes are equal in terms of intensity and blending. After I'm done, please don't mind my model, she just keeps dozing off. After I'm done, I'm going to go in with my kohl pencil to tightline her eyes and to line her waterline as well. My model wears glasses. She's not a professional model. She wears glasses, and this particular eye is quite sensitive. So if you have a client with a sensitive eyes, or if you're someone with sensitive eyes, you want to line and ask them to take like really deep breaths as I'm doing so in the video. I know you guys are going to ask me what pencil I use in this video. This is the Mabrook Kohl pencil in black. Yeah. Yes, I'm asking her to breathe in and breathe out again. These particular eyes just really sensitive. Even with the lashes, it was really difficult to work with. I'm going to repeat the same process on the other eyes. Duh. If you already follow me on Instagram, then you know this trick for tight lining the eyes. You can either use a brush or a Q-tip to lift the eyelid so you don't smear the eyeshadow you've already applied. Yeah, thank me later. Here, I'm just checking for symmetry to be sure that I'm done, and I like the results. Next step is to go in with the eyebrows. I'm not going to be doing a detailed eyebrow here. If you'd like to see how I draw my eyebrow after eyeshadow or foundation application, I'll be leaving the link in my description box. You can watch that tutorial. So after you're done with your eyebrows, you want to of course conceal any line of demarcation that concealer must have created. So I'm just taking my fluffy brush, the one I used for the lighter brown, to brush off any lines that might have formed. And the next step, we're going in with the lips. I just did a nice brown nude lips to go in with this look. We want the eyes to be the star of the show, so we're keeping the lips really neutral and soft and simple. And I'm using the Avo Cosmetics lip stain for the lips and some classic ones as well. I really like the Avo lip stains. They blend out easily. They're actually soft and matte, and they don't dry out the lips. That's why you see me using a lot of them in my tutorial. Now another hack in this video, this is the second hack, is to dish your lip brush and use an eyeliner brush instead. Yes, you heard what I said. Use an eyeliner brush, especially if you like really defined lips like me. Use an eyeliner brush. Thank me later. Guys, I'm so in love with how this look turned out. I'm super impressed. I love everything from the eyes to the lips to the skin work. Oh, and that reminds me, if you'd like to see a tutorial on how I apply foundation, highlight and contour, I'll leave that video in the description box as well, so you can watch that and catch up. So that's it, you guys. I finished up with the rest of her face. I'm just so in love with this look. I'm using my finishing powder here. I'm going to go in with a liquid liner to map out the space where I'm going to apply my lashes. Special shout out to Helen, my model, who volunteered to film this tutorial with me. I'll be leaving her handle in my description as well. That's her Instagram handle. You can book her. She's very affordable. As usual, if you've watched up till this point, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, share this video with your makeup besties. Please give this video a thumbs up, and we're done. Thank you for watching. If you'd have any requests or any look you'd like to see, please leave it in the comment section. If you also have any questions pertaining to this look or any makeup related questions, please leave it in the comment section as well, and I'll be sure to answer. Thank you guys for watching and supporting my channel. God bless you all. See you in my next one. Bye.